The following order is made. The point of law raised by Caledon River Properties Pty Ltd trading as Magwa Construction and Prof Team CC is dismissed with costs.
Lekgotla le Ikgethang la ditletlebo le nkile qeto ya fedisa kontraka ya terata ya Caledon River Properties le Dibohong la Beitbridge. Sena ka morao boipiletso bo entsweng ke SIU hore Lekgotla le sekaseke kontraka mme le qhelele ka thoko. Ho tlohala ha Caledon e fuwe 21.8 million ya kontraka ya 40 million ho kampela le Diboho la Beitbridge Limpopo. Mahlakore a mabedi a fihlelletse tumellano ya ho kgutliswa ha tjhelete nakong ya matsatsi a 20. Ha morao Khampani eo e ipileditse hore Lekgotla le Ikgethang la ditletlebo ha lena matla a ho nka diqeto tsa molaotheo.
By conferring judicial authority upon the Special Tribunal over matters emanating from the SIU investigations, as well as providing for its functioning, the Act also recognizes the Special Tribunal as a Section 166E court with a similar status to the High Court.
Mahlakore a mabedi a amohetse sephetho.
We are ready to move forward to listen to the main issue in the application, which will be deeper into the merits. That is where we will call in witnesses if there is a need for that. We'll look into the allegations, the evidence that is being submitted before the Special Tribunal for us to make an equitable and just order.
We are really very happy as the SIU that the court has ruled in our favor, and the fact that we are going to also be paid for our legal fees. The other thing that makes us happy is that it then paves the way for us to ultimately deal with the merits of the case.
SIU e re e tshepa hore boipiletso bo keke ba nka nako e telele. Babuelli ba Caledon ha ba rata ho tshwaela.